I think okay.
So how did you find out about us pala?
Ano po yun?
Paano mo kami nakita?
Nag-search talaga ako, Reddit, IG, Facebook, kung anong okay na
Sinuyod mo
color analysis. Tapos I think nagka-macross ako sa isang review sa Reddit. Parang doon, yun yung naging deciding factor ko. Nagamit, na nasa may window daw kayo mag-draping. Parang sila lang yung ganun. Kasi lahat parang studio lights. Ayun. Tsaka may body analysis kasi. Yung iba color lang. Habol ko din siya para nga din sa silhouette ng gown.
So more on yun pala yung pinaka
Tsaka yung colors. Parang sa tagal ko naganap, hindi rin ako nabili ng paubos na yung lipstick ko. Yung damit gusto ko nang pala. So, hindi intayin ko yung yung analysis.
Pero after the shopping ka na, no? So for now, the first thing we're gonna do is compare the temperature and saturation of our season sa'yo. So, okay naman ba yung angle ng camera? Are you fine with that?
I think i-zoom ko siya nun.
Sige.
Wait lang.
Pwede rin natin iusog pa dun yung chair if you would like to.
I think okay naman na po ito.
Okay, sige. So during this process, focus ka lang muna kahit sa eyes and cheeks muna, just to see the general effect. So ito si summer, more on the cooler and lighter tones. Next, you have winter, still cool pero mas deeper yung shade. Then you have spring na warm and bright. And lastly, you have autumn na warm and muted. Medyo nakita mo na ba yung changes or not yet?
Nalilito.
Okay lang. Sige, for now, compare natin yung mga warmer tones sa'yo. For this part, you can focus lang muna sa center ng face mo. So, ito si spring, and then we have autumn. So, dito kay spring, since bright yung colors, pag nag-reflect sa skin mo, it also look a bit more brighter. Mas maaliwalas kang tingnan dito. Meanwhile, kapag naglagay ako ng autumn na medyo muted yung shade, you notice parang dumilim ng slight yung face mo. Yeah, medyo nag-gray, medyo nag-brown din ng very slight. So for now, I will be placing you in the spring palette over autumn. Now, compare naman natin yung cooler tones. Ito na, si winter at si summer. For this part, you can also focus sa features mo, like your eyes, nose, and jawline. So between summer and winter, nakikita mo yung difference? Dito kay winter, mas deeper yung shade niya, so mas intense ikakast na shadow sa'yo. Ang maganda doon is mas contoured or mas defined yung jawline area mo, even actually yung eyes and nose mo. But if we're gonna focus din lang sa mismong skin mo, slightly deeper pa siya compared to the actual brightness of your skin color. Meanwhile, kung maglalagay ako ng summer in here, mas binalik yung aliwalas ng face mo at mas may parang rosy glow yung cheek mo. So for now, leaning ka kay summer over the winter. Pero okay naman yung winter. It would be like a third top 3 mo siya. So for now, ang initial top 2 mo ay summer at yung spring palette. Okay.
Nakita ko yun.
Nakita mo yung difference? So yeah, yun na natin. Sinong mananalo sa 4 seasons? This time, dito na tayo sa tinatawag na class 3. In here, specific colors na ipakompare ko, starting with pink. So, dito, as we go through the colors, focus ka lang din sa mismong face mo, not the fabric, para makita mo yung effect niya. So, ito si summer, more on the baby pink. Meanwhile, winter, mas matingkad siya, it's the shocking pink. Spring has the bright coral pink, and then autumn is the apricot. So, compare lang between spring and autumn. Okay, autumn talaga still too soft, too muted to really make any changes. Go for spring pa rin. Pero on hold lang tayo sa specific color na to kasi medyo nakikipag-compete pa siya for attention. Now, compare naman natin si summer at si winter. Nakikita mo yung difference? So, si winter, you still have definition, may contrast ka pa rin naman. However, parang the longer I look at dito mo na parang mas na-draw yung eye natin sa...
Pero mas maganda yung summer.
Yeah, mas nagilin ka pa rin kay summer. So for now, ang top 2 mo pa rin is summer at yung spring. Okay, isang warm at isang cool pa rin. Dito na tayo sa blue. Na-mention mo more on navy blue yung sinusuot mo. So, how about yung mga lighter tones?
Meron parang isa or dalawa na pastel na blue.
Oh, at least, meron pa rin. Sige, tingnan natin. For summer, you have the baby blue. Winter has royal blue. Spring has warm aqua, and then autumn has the warm teal. So just to compare between spring and autumn, autumn talaga, it's too heavy for you. Nakaka-dark siya ng skin. Go for spring blue, warm aqua. Now, compare naman natin si summer at si winter. Okay, between the two of them, si winter, hindi naman talaga siya pangit na color. Still okay for your contrast. However, yun nga, madadraw lang talaga yung eye natin
Sa
downward.
damo.
Mas naglilihin ka pa rin talaga kay summer. Now, compare natin yung summer at yung spring. Nakikita mo yung difference ng dalawa?
Parang mas nag-light ako dun sa spring.
Yeah. So, parang silang light na blue but the temperature is different. Kapag naglagay ako ng warm and light na colors, parang yung glow mo from within. Parang may sarili kang ring light dito. Meanwhile, kapag naglagay ako ng summer, okay pa rin siya, maputi ka pa rin, pero parang nag-tone down ng very slight yung natural brightness niya. So, in your case, mas nag-lean ka na kay spring palette. Wow. Di mo in-expect yun. This time, sa neutrals naman, ayun. Nagsusuot ka ba ng mga brown or gray?
Choco brown.
Choco brown. Ayan. Sige.
Beige. Light blue pala siya.
Later, baka madaanan natin yung beige.
Ay, gray ba?
Sige, tingnan natin. For summer, you have the bluish light gray. Meanwhile, winter has black. Spring has the golden brown, and then autumn has deep dark brown. So just to compare between the two brown tones, dapat ba light or dark? Dito kay dark brown, okay pa rin naman siya. Contoured ka pa rin, may shortness ka. But if we're gonna focus in sa under eye at sa cheek area, mas slightly darker siya compared to the rest of your face. Pero kapag naglagay na ako ng golden brown eye na, mas naging smooth, mas pantay yung skin mo, very consistent ka talaga kay spring over the autumn palette. Now, compare lang natin yung cooler neutrals. You have gray as well as black. So, between the two of them, si black, okay, it's still okay for contour and contrast, pero yun nga, masyado pa rin heavy. Mas okay pa rin si gray, at least mas nakaka-uplift siya, mas maaliwalas ka.
Oo nga.
Yeah.
Na nag-black, sa black lang ako napapatingin.
Masyado mabigat na. But since sa black, classic color siya, at some point you have to wear them. Ang advice ko lang is, wag mo na siya ilalapit sa face mo, like yung mga turtleneck. Ideally, you put some distance. Either through neckline, para kita yung neck at collarbone, or pang trousers na lang siya, pang baba na lang. Okay, this time, compare natin si summer at si spring. Nakikita mo ba kung saan mas may parang kulay yung skin mo? Is it through gray or through the golden brown? Okay, in your case, mas may kulay ka kay golden brown.
Nakita ko nga, hindi.
Yeah. Kasi yung gray, pagkaputi mo, parang ang putla na eh. Lalo na sa may under eyes. So in your case, go for the spray palette. Very consistent ka. So more on the golden brown yung neutrals mo. This time, yung next group, ito na, yung white. Best shade of white mo. Ito na. Tignan natin. For summer, you have the off-white. So, medyo soft na color lang siya. And then, winter has the classic white. For spring, warm na siya. So, that means you have the ivory white. And then, autumn is the oyster white. Now, compare natin yung mga warmer tones sa'yo. Focus ka lang sa may under eye at cheek area. Nakikita mo yung subtle difference nila. Hindi masyado.
Mas gusto yung spring.
Yeah, mas panda yung kulay mo kay spring. Si autumn kasi, or yung oyster white, since soft siya, mas soft lang din yung way niya mag-reflect sa skin mo. Yung parang slightly left behind lang yung under eye niya. Compare dito kay spring, mas pinapantay mo yung kulay niya. Now, compare natin yung mga cooler white sa'yo between summer and winter. Okay, nakikita mo naman yung difference, na? Si Winter talaga, masyado siyang striking. Ang una natin makikita is yung color instead of blue. Si Summer, a little bit better. Pero kay compare ulit natin siya kay Spring. Para mas may kulay ka lang talaga kay Spring. Yeah.
Patla ako dun sa
Yeah. Yeah, medyo nakakaputla pa actually si Summer sa'yo. Puti ka lang, but yun nga, wala ka masyado natural warmth. Nag-go for Spring. So, ang best white mo, more on the warmer tone. It's more the ivory white. Ayun, at least, alam mo na yung sa wedding dress mo. Yeah, careful na lang din na wag na masyado sa sobrang striking, like the classic white. Pero may na-try ka na bang mga ganitong shade of white?
Actually, ayoko kasi sana ng parang champagne na wedding gown. Dito siya malapit na color kaysa dun sa summer. Pero nung sinukat ko, ang ganda.
Yeah. Ayun.
Kaya sabi ko, la, bakit ang ganda sa akin?
Yeah. Ayun.
Okay.
So, ayan, na-confirm na. Yun nga, more on the warmer tones ka na. I think this time, for this part, mapakita ko na yung general colors ng bawat seasons na ito. So, for the first flag, we have the summer flag. Kanina, every time naglalagay ko ng summer sa'yo, you're good enough to be your secondary option. Kasi in a way, nakakaaliwalas naman siya for you. However, masyado lang siyang malamig, kaya medyo maputla yung pagkaputi mo ng skin mo. Meanwhile, dito kay Winter, si Winter, you do have contrast with them, kaso masyado lang matingkat, nadadraw yung eye natin downward. Meanwhile, dito kay Spring, matingkad rin siya, pero mas bright instead of deep. Kaya dito, ay parang mas nag-glow yung skin mo. Mas malihalas ka, mas lively kang tingnan. At kung maglalagay ka ng autumn or yung mga earthy colors, ay nakita mo yung difference. Parang dumilim yung face mo, at parang mas naging gray and yellow ka at the same time. So in your case, dapat more and more on the lighter tones, go for the spring palette. So far, how do you feel na nasa spring ka? Nakagulat ba?
Nagulat ako. Akala ko cool tone that is.
In your case, medyo leaning neutral ka. You're neutral warm, so may konting cool tones na okay sa'yo. Kaya si summer ang secondary mo. Mas dominant lang talaga yung warm. Ayan. So, ang next step natin is we're gonna go through some of the spring colors para alam natin what type of spring kayo. So far, kamusta naman?
Okay naman. Kasi sa apat, parang feeling ko hindi ko si autumn.
Parang yun yung sure ka talaga na.
So, medyo okay naman.
Okay naman. So, this time, puro spring na yung ilalagay kong color. For this part, you can just take a look at your entire face to see the general effect. Kasi ito yung first batch, the warm pastels. First color is the peach pink, followed by apricot, and then yung pang-third is yung pale summer. Okay, so start muna tayo sa first two colors. Between the peach pink and the apricot, si peach pink, mas focus siya on that soft, rosy glow. May parang nagpipink yung cheeks mo. Meanwhile, si apricot, more on warmth naman. May parang nag-yellowish ka ng slide. But the thing is, very subtle lang naman yung effect ng dalawa ko, so you can wear either of them. Hindi naman sobrang yellow yung skin mo dito kay apricot. And hindi ka rin naman sobrang puti kay peach pink. Now, ito namang pale salmon, parang kinumbay niya yung effect ng first two. May rosiness pa rin yung cheeks mo, pero may warmth din yung overall skin tone mo. So, in this group, you can wear any of the colors. Okay naman siya. At pwede mo rin gamitin references itong tatlong to for blush and eyeshadow shades. May mga ganito ka na ba sa wardrobe or makeup?
Sa makeup, parang super bright na pink na yung blush na ganagamit.
So in your case, medyo mas nag-lean ka sa mga medyo pa peach or salmon na color. Now, for the next group, dito medyo mas matingkad yung batch na to. It's what we call the corals and the pinks. So compare natin. First, we have the clear salmon as well as the bright coral. Okay, yung dalawang tami pagka-neon na safe to say neons are not your best tones. Masyado siyang matingkad for you. Dapat saktuhan lang. So pag naglagay ako nitong coral pink, a lot better. Mas madali na makita yung face mo. At kung gagawin natin slightly deeper yung shade like the warm pink, dito parang dumilim ka lang ng slight, pero masabigyan ka naman ng definition or contour. So in this group, ito na yung top 2 best options mo. Si Coral Pink yung number 1, secondary mo si Warm Pink, and pwede mo itong gamitin reference for both blush and lipstick colors.
Okay.
Yun. Huwag ka na lang sa mga neon na colors. Masyadong matingkad. Okay. Next group natin is yellow and blue. So, dalawa yung yellow mo dito kay spring. First, you have the butter yellow. The next one, medyo malakas to. It's the bright yellow. Okay, no to neons talaga. Go for the butter yellow instead. Even if you go lighter than this color, okay pa rin naman siya. Meanwhile, for the different shades of green, we have the pale yellow green, followed by medium yellow green, apple green, and lastly yung peacock green. So, compare lang muna natin between the apple green and the peacock green. Si peacock green, medyo may konting grayish tint na yung skin mo, especially sa under eye. So, dapat mas warmer yung shade na susuotin mo. Mas leaning ka pa rin kay apple green. Now, compare lang natin yung lightness. Should we go for the pale yellow green or dapat ba on the medium? In your case, both are okay. Pale yellow green, mas may aliwalas ka. Medium yellow green, medyo nag-balance out na yung contour at brightness mo. Meanwhile, si apple green, okay pa rin. Mas may sharpness ka ng tingnan dito. So, pagdating sa group na to, ito yung body pop. More on these types of colors. May mga ganito ka na ba sa wardrobe mo?
Lighter ng konti dun sa yellow.
Ayan, sakto.
Pero green wala.
Ayan.
Hindi ako nagtatry. Ay, may isa pala. Ito. Itong
Sa apple green.
Okay.
Ayan. Okay. This time, sa blue and purple na tayo. Nagsusuot ka ba ng mga purple? Ayan. Okay. So, start tayo sa mga blue mo. It's more of the aqua. This is light aqua followed by medium aqua. So, between the two of them, actually both still look nice. Mas kita ko yung features mo kay muted aqua. Mas clear skin kang tingnan kay light aqua. So, yeah, okay naman yung dalawang blue. Now, for your purple or the periwinkles, you have light, medium, as well as dark. Okay pa rin. Sige, just to start, between the light and dark periwinkle, it's not too heavy. Kita ko pa rin yung eyes, nose, and jawline. Yung light periwinkle, mas soft and mas feminine kang tingnan dito. Now, for the medium shade, since gitna siya, balance naman yung effect niya.
Okay.
Now, compare natin si dark periwinkle at si warm navy blue. So, for this one, center pa rin ng face niya yung titingnan. Nakikita mo ba yung difference nila? Very subtle lang siya, pero mas may konting heaviness na binibigay lang si warm navy blue. So, one thing you can do is ilalayo mo lang siya sa face mo, or babawi ka sa makeup mo, concealer and powder. But right now, pag bare-faced at kapag malapit yung color, go for the dark periwinkle. And then, lastly, you have another shade. Ito yung parang royal purple ni Spring, that Fancy. So, si Fancy, okay pa rin naman siyang suotin. May rosiness pa rin yung cheeks and lips mo. Pero more of, ano lang to, pang special occasion na color. Ang gagawin kong pinaka-best shade mo, ang gagawin ko top 3, would be dark periwinkle, medium periwinkle, at si light aqua. Itong tatlong to. So, yeah, we have a little bit of everything, light, medium, and slightly deep. Okay, wala ka pang ganito sa wardrobe? Wala pa. Ayan. Magsha-shopping ka na talaga after this.
Mali-mali.
Yeah. For the last group, neutrals mo naman this group. But so far pala, okay naman ikaw dun sa colors mo dito kay Sue.
Hindi ko naman sila like hate.
Sige, this time ito lang, yung mga neutrals mo na kay Spring. So, ito yung white mo kay Spring, the ivory white. You also have another option which is the creamy white. Okay, so between the two of them, very subtle lang yung difference nila, pero you can wear either. So, kapag magta-try on kayo ng wedding dress, you can go for either of these shades. The thing is, ang subtle lang ng difference, baka pag nasa store ka na, di mo na makita. Basta warm na light white. Ayan. Now, itong ivory white, this one, kapag hinaluan mo ng konting gray, you're gonna get the ivory. So, between ivory white and ivory, si ivory, medyo nagsisimula na rin maging gray yung skin mo. At kapag naglagay na ako ng warm gray, o yan, parang mas naging gray lang din talaga yung appearance nila. So, in your case, go for yung white pa rin pagdating sa mga light neutrals. Now, for the different shades of brown, you have light camel, as well as yung tan. At yung pinaka-bird mo na dito would be the golden brown. So, again, choose to start. Between light camel at the tan, nakikita mo yung difference sila. Light camel, mas smooth kanina, mas clear skin. Meanwhile, kay tan, you do have a little bit more of definition sa jawline area. So, okay pa rin naman siyang suotin. At kapag maglalagay na ako ng golden brown, dito, mas kita ko na talaga yung eyes, nose, and jawline mo. Si light camel kasi mas nag-focus on skin. Parang smooth mong tingnan. Pero golden brown, more on your features naman. So, you can wear any of the browns here up to your preference na siya. Na-compare lang natin yung pang-best neutral mo. Dapat ba more on the ivory white? Or would it be better if you go for the golden brown? So, in this case, pares naman to ng neutral, you can wear them. Pero mas glowing kang tingnan the ivory white. Kaya, mas fresh ka. Ayan. So, in your case, this will be your number one neutral, si ivory white, and best white mo na rin siya. Second best mo naman si golden brown. Okay, ayan. How do you feel sa colors mo?
Masaya ako dito. Parang yung sinasabi ko pala na yellow, malapit na dito eh.
Ayan. Sakto. Okay, and given yung pattern mo, you are leaning more on the light to medium mainly, pero mas nag-glow ka sa lighter tones, so in the light spring color. Okay, later ko lang i-explain si light spring. This time, so jewelry naman tayo. Hili ka ba magsuot ng alahas?
Hindi, pero kinakabahan din ako dyan.
Sige. Tingnan natin. Dapat ba silver or yellow gold? For this one, entire face pa rin yung titingnan natin. So, ito kapag silver and then ito kapag yellow gold. So, between the two of them, mas pumapantay pa rin talaga yung kulay mo sa mga warm. So, go for yellow gold. Itong silver, medyo naka-brighten up siya. Pero medyo nagsisimula na rin maging ashy yung skin tone mo. So, instead of silver, more on white gold ka na lang. Pero, yeah, mas nagbilin ka pa rin sa yellow gold. And since nasa light spring palette ka, that means you also can go for the rose gold. Yeah. Ano ba yung usual jewelry metal na?
White gold ang binigay sa akin.
Yan! Sakto pa rin. Okay pa rin naman yan.
Okay.
Okay yan.
Pati wedding ring namin.
Ayan,
white
sakto.
gold.
So, yellow, white, and rose gold, yun yung pinaka-metals mo. Not so much lang sa sobrang cool like silver or platinum. Yun kasi extreme na yun. This time, pakita ko na yung magiging option mo for the later. So, you're still gonna follow the spring palette, which means warm and medyo light lang. So, itong side yun. Meanwhile, si autumn, warm pa rin pero mas muted. So, they're gonna look a bit too heavy on you. Kaya dito ka sa lighter shades. And careful na lang na huwag masyado sa blue tones kasi nakakaputla sila for you. So yeah, more on the peaches, coral, salmon pink. Later, magpapakita rin ako example ng mga spring wave mo. Now, for the hair color, balak mo ba magpakulay ng hair?
Unsure pa.
Unsure ba? Sige, so pakita ko yung magiging options mo kay spring palette. Okay. So, itong different shades of black as well as the platinum blonde, mga cool and intense na colors sila. So, nasa winter palette yung colors na to. You're in spring, that means more on the warm and medyo mas golden browns. Yung iba dito may pagka-blonde na, yun yung range ng palette mo. In your case, instead na mag-full-on blonde ka, you can go for the deeper shade of golden brown lang. More of the number 7. And to show you the other options you have dito kay spring palette, lahat naman dito spring siya. Even this one, but again, avoid mo lang yung hot. So you can go for the intense dark golden brown. Itong dalawang to, this one is a bit more orangey, more yellowish. Careful na lang kapag ganito yung pipiliin mo. Kasi over time, mas magiging brassy siya pag nag-fade na. At yung ganitong blonde, now technically, okay sa yung mga light colors. Pero pagdating sa hair, yung ganito, it's more of pang dimensional lang. Balayage or highlights. Better pa rin mas deeper yung base mo. So, ito siya para makita mo up close. Bale, ito. Yung big apat na to. Kung gusto mo na may konting highlights, pwede naman. Basta mas deeper yung base mo.
Ito.
May ibang salon, I think, may pili sila up to 3 eh. Like, for example, like, yung dalawa, and then something like.
Okay.
Okay. So, we're done with this part of the process. Pulang ko lang ito. Then, you can take another seat sa couch. Explain ko naman yung result. Don't forget your camera